Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 286, effective until 1 o'clock a.m. Thursday, or 2 o'clock a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Lake, Lee, Livingston, McHenry, Ogle, Willand, Winnebago, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Laborde, Lake, Newton, Porter, Pulaski, and Stark, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northern Island, Illinois, Northern Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Calumet Harbor, Illinois.
I had to bail on that alert to get this one.
Short to Lake and Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois.
The National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Kennewick County in southeast Wisconsin, southwestern Racine County in southeast Wisconsin, southeastern Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin until 6:45 p.m. At 5:52 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing golf ball-size hail. This storm was located near Bonner's Lake, or 7 miles north of Twin Lakes, and moving northeast at 10 miles an hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Burlington Airport and Paddock Lake around 6:10 p.m., Browns Lake around 6:20 p.m., Eagle Lake and Union Grove around 6:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Burlington and Kansasville. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into